Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
As long as you choose to hide the detailed data in summary reports versus suppressing the detailed data, then you can double-click on the summary values which are displayed within the report to show the hidden detailed data on a new Preview tab. However, sometimes the field headings will still appear within section headings where you wish that they wouldn't. You can use conditional formatting as well as the DrillDownGroupLevel function to show or hide information depending on which drill-down grouping level is being displayed. When you are viewing the information within a drill-down level, you will need to know the number value assigned to the detail information which you are viewing. The topmost level of a report is always level 0. Then the first level grouping would be level 1. The second level grouping is level 2, and so on and so forth. You can choose to suppress the display of information while viewing a specified drill-down group level by selecting the field or section to suppress, and then clicking the X+2 button that appears next to the Suppress or No Drill Down option within the Format editor for the selected field. So in the formula text window, you type the following general formula. Drill down group level equals number. Once again, where number is the number of the drill down level for which you want to suppress the display of the selected information. So in this example, drill down group level equals 0 means that this information should be suppressed when viewing the main body of the report. So here we can see our clean summaries, and then when you double-click on the order amount, you then see them with the detailed data.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.